You are listening to Podcast Learner Autonomy, and the focus of this discussion centers around discovering motivation through The Alchemist, an amazing read authored by Paulo Coelho. The pursuit of knowledge and skills is undoubtedly a complex undertaking that can present obstacles, but it need not be an intimidating one that inspires fear. On the contrary, the journey can be exceedingly fulfilling and gratifying. A perfect embodiment of this notion is Paulo Coelho's literary masterpiece, The Alchemist. This exquisite piece of literature delves into the allure of personal development and self-discovery, and offers invaluable insights into the pursuit of one's passions and the importance of persistence. The Alchemist is a captivating narrative that leads us on a transformative adventure towards self-realization and self-discovery. This literary work has served as a beacon of hope, encouraging countless individuals globally to delve into their deepest desires and discover the purpose that fuels them. Key takeaways from Santiago's expedition include the profound influence of our aspirations, the significance of perseverance and determination, and the capacity to overcome life's challenges. Furthermore, this insightful novel enlightens us on the fact that the actual expedition is frequently more significant than the ultimate objective or outcome. The Alchemist, a journey of self-discovery. The internationally acclaimed book, The Alchemist, has been enthralling and enchanting readers across generations with its timeless message of self-awareness. The narrative follows the protagonist, Santiago, a humble shepherd boy, as he embarks on a profound expedition to uncover the true meaning of his existence, his destined fate, his personal legend. The journey towards self-discovery that Santiago undertakes is riddled with daunting challenges and seemingly insurmountable hurdles. Santiago's unwavering determination, grit, and resilience help him surmount numerous obstacles in his path. The tale of Santiago's transformation is an ode to the human spirit's tenacity, capability, and the unbridled potential within each one of us to trot the path to success. The Alchemist is an exceptionally inspiring read for individuals who are on a journey of self-discovery. The book teaches us, through the story of Santiago, that each one of us has a distinct purpose that we are destined to fulfill in life, known as our personal legend. When we choose to follow our dreams while remaining true to ourselves, we uncover the drive and inspiration to surmount any challenge that comes our way, paving the path to success and the fulfillment of our objectives. The Power of Dreams. The Alchemist by Coelho is an exemplary novel that underscores the significance of dreams in shaping the destiny of the protagonist, Santiago. Throughout the story, these reveries act as a driving force for Santiago, inspiring him to pursue his personal legend and chase his fervor. Coelho's quote, "When you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it," serves as a reminder of the pivotal role that a clear vision of our ambitions and aspirations hold in directing our path toward success. The novel aptly highlights how our dreams can serve as a compass, steering us towards our goals and helping us accomplish our heart's desire. Moreover, the significance of dreams goes beyond their subconscious nature and actually reflects a deep connection between the spiritual and physical realms. As illustrated in Paulo Coelho's novel, The Alchemist, the protagonist, Santiago, discovers the power of interpreting his dreams as messages from the universe. As he embarks on his quest, he relies on his dream interpretations to make crucial decisions. This enlightening experience teaches us the value of paying attention to our intuition and having faith in our inner voice when faced with important choices. Overcoming obstacles. In the novel, The Alchemist, the protagonist, Santiago, encounters a repertoire of impediments while journeying to fulfill his personal legend. Among these obstacles, fear is likely the largest. As he embarks on this journey of self-discovery, Santiago is plagued with a fear of the unknown, a fear of failure, and a fear of exiting his comfort zone. Yet as the story unfolds, Santiago realizes that the only way he can accomplish his aim is by confronting his fears head-on and embracing risks. This crucial lesson holds relevance in our lives as we each embark on our own unique learning journeys. We are often overcome with fears and doubts when venturing into new terrain or striving towards challenging obstacles. Nevertheless, Santiago's story implores us to push beyond these limits and trust in our abilities to take the necessary steps towards our personal legends. Santiago encounters yet another hurdle on his journey, as he must grapple with the pressure imposed on him by those around him who wish for him to conform to their expectations. The opinions of his family and friends hold weight, as they urge him to remain in his hometown and lead a life as a priest. However, Santiago recognizes his purpose lies beyond the walls of his hometown, prompting him to seek adventure and pursue his personal legend. This presents a difficult choice, as he must decide between following his heart and sticking to what he knows, settling for a life of familiarity. Regardless, this challenge imparts an important lesson: that despite the expectations of those around us, we must prioritize our passions and strive towards fulfilling our destiny. The importance of persistence. Throughout his journey to fulfill his personal legend in The Alchemist, Santiago is met with a plethora of obstacles that test his resolve. Despite encountering setbacks and challenges, he remains steadfast in his pursuit of his dreams, demonstrating unwavering determination to succeed. The book emphasizes the paramount significance of persistence, highlighting that success frequently demands unwavering perseverance when confronted by obstacles. By tenaciously pursuing our objectives, even when faced with challenging circumstances, we are capable of accomplishing remarkable feats and ultimately satisfying our individual aspirations and missions in life. Ultimately, it can be inferred that Paulo Coelho's novel, The Alchemist, presents readers with a compelling narrative centered on the themes of self-discovery and motivation that can be derived from our personal journeys of learning. Through the protagonist, Santiago's quest to follow his dreams, he is able to exemplify how even in the face of adversity, one can strive to pursue their passions, navigate obstacles, and remain persistent. Without a doubt, this novel serves as an inspiring reflection of the human condition and our endless capacity for growth and development. I strongly urge you to immerse yourself in reading this truly inspiring book that will guide you towards discovering your own unique personal legend. It is a powerful piece of literature that reinforces the concept that the universe is always on our side, and our deepest desires and ambitions are within reach if we have the strength and determination to pursue them. This book reinforces the timeless adage that when one truly desires something, the universe aligns to help them achieve it.